Hey everyone, it's Bri.
And Dee. Behind every sweet bite is a story, and today we're getting a taste.
At a place where love is baked into every dessert. We're at Sonia's Sweet Inspirations, not too far from downtown Stroudsburg, with the couple behind this business, Sonia herself and her husband, Carl. Tell us what you have to offer here.
So in this case in here, it was pretty much all cupcakes. We have French macarons, that is very popular, people love that. We have pretty much like 30 different flavors every single day. The most popular by far, I think, is the strawberry cheesecake, lemon blueberry. Cannoli is always very popular. Over here in this case, there are different pastries. Almond cloud is the most popular cookie we have by far.
Combination cookies
Combination,
and pastries.
yeah. Over there, that donut, we call sonho in Brazil. Sonho means dream. So, but it's a donut filled with pastry cream, cinnamon buns over there. Flan, that is very Brazilian also. We do a lot of different things, and I don't settle just for what I have in here. I'm always come up with new things.
So people can walk in and pick something right from the cases, but they can also order something custom. Tell us about that.
Yes, the cakes are custom orders only. We do weddings, sweet 16, any type of custom cakes we do.
So where would you say the inspiration came from? You started in your home kitchen.
Yes.
What made you want to then move from there to an actual business?
Like the baking passion I have, I'm from Brazil, and over there when I was a little kid, I was already baking and loved to look at different things, different countries, recipes. So this what my inspiration was like. One day I'm gonna have to do this. I love to compete on cake competitions, and I did that a couple times and I won. And then I start baking from like my church. Then everybody's like, Sonia, you need to open, you have a gift. And that's what we did.
What is that feeling that you want your customers to have when they come and get something from you and then leave?
You want to make a memory. You want it to be something special. And this is exactly what I want them to taste that. Say, man, that's one of the best things that I ever tasted.
So now Sonia and Rosemary are showing us how the magic happens.
So tell us what we're going to make today and how we get started.
Okay, we're gonna make a chocolate mousse cup that is very popular. I have one already done over there. So what you guys gonna start with? Like this bag is already open.
Okay.
So we're gonna make the mold first. See that little mark over here?
Okay.
Is where the chocolate gonna go.
Okay.
I smell the chocolate.
It smells so good.
Delicious.
Yeah, we use a Belgian chocolate, so it's really good quality. So this is the chocolate mousse part, right, that you guys are doing. So it's chocolate. Rosemary, want to explain what's
So
in
there's
there?
heavy cream, egg yolks, sugar, and then you cook it to a certain temperature and add the melted chocolate to it. And then you wait for that to cool, and you're gonna add the whipped cream into it.
Is this hard for you to watch someone else do it?
Feel bad for the person getting this one.
You're probably gonna take that one home.
That's yours. You feel bad for yourself.
She says I'm gonna take this one home.
Okay, so we're good with that. And now we're gonna decorate. That's the easy part and the fun part.
That was so much fun, but I don't think they're gonna be hiring us anytime soon.
It was fun trying though.
We'll be the certified taste testers,
Yeah.
and you can visit soniasweetinspirations.com for more.
Because every celebration deserves something sweet.
We're Bri and Dee with the Pocono Television Network.